Published 1001-23 September 2017. Bianca Wild Brian Ellis with a Hawker Sea Fury aircraft and a MiG-15 fighter in the background. Picture Clive Porter ahead of this weekend's Duxford Battle of Britain air show. Veteran pilot Brian "Shmoo" Ellis has been reunited with the type of enemy aircraft he downed more than 60 years ago. Making an appearance at Duxford on Monday, Mr. Ellis recalled the scenario that led to him shooting down a MiG-15 jet fighter in the Korean War in 1952. He said there were 8 of them, and just 4 of us. He made an error in his speed and dropped into my gyro gun sight. I repeatedly fired on him until he started to smoke. Until now, Mr. Ellis has only ever seen a MiG-15 jet fighter in combat through the gun sight of an 802 Naval Air Squadron Sea Fury FB-11 fighter aircraft. He added, to coin a modern phrase, "I have found it quite awesome being here with the 2 types of planes that I was involved with. It's very emotional to witness a Sea Fury once again. What a privilege it was to spend your days flying these aircraft. I used to live in these things every day." The Battle of Britain air show takes place today and tomorrow. Go to www.um.org. Visit Duxford for more information.